Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, I'm Farhany Mayora. I'm from Andalas University, majoring in English Literature. I'm here today to present a summary about phonemes and allophone as the final examination for English Phonology course with my lecturers, Ma'am Rina Marnita AS Ph.D. and Ma'am Almagvirah Chan SS M.Hum. Okay, I will start right away. Phonemes and allophones. First, what are phonemes? A phoneme is the smallest meaning distinguishing sound unit in a given language. It distinguishes one word from another. The symbol slash is for phonemic transcription. For example, the difference between the words alive and arrive. They have two different sounds because they contrast meaning. The word alive has 5 letters or sounds, and the sound l in the word alive is voiced alveolar lateral. But the word arrive has 6 letters or sounds, and the sound r in the word arrive is voiced palato-alveolar approximant. So, this differentiation we called phonemes. Okay, let's talk about allophones. An allophone is a phonetic variant of a phoneme. It is the differentiation of producing the same phoneme or sound. The symbol of square brackets are used for variants of sound. For example, in English, phoneme k has 3 variants or allophone. First, k in initial position, such as in the word cool. Second, k in the middle position, such as in the word sky. And the last, k in the final position, such as in the word cake. There are aspirated and non-aspirated allophones. Aspirated allophone is a phoneme that followed by vowel and usually in initial position, such as in the word cool. There is a little bit puff of air when we produce it. Cool. The rest, we call it unaspirated allophones, such as in the word sky and cake. There is no puff of air. No matter how we pronounce it, aspirated k and unaspirated k are not different phonemes. Using a different allophone doesn't change meaning. No matter how we pronounce it, they don't mean different. Phonemes and allophones as distribution of speech sound. The way sounds are distributed within the phonological inventory sound system in a given language tells us whether 2 or more sounds or phones are allophones of the same phoneme or of different phonemes. Some notes for allophones of the same phoneme. Phonemes are contrastive, but allophones are non-contrastive. Phonemes have unpredictable distribution, but allophones have predictable distribution. There are 2 kinds distribution of speech sounds. There are contrastive distribution and complementary distribution. First, contrastive distribution. The situation in which 2 sounds occur in the same environment called as contrastive distribution. Distribution refers to the set of phonetic environments in which a phone occurs. It needs 2 words that have the same number of phones and that differ in one phone in the same position. For example, in the words band and vent, they differ in the first position, which are in the sound b as in the word band and v as in the word vent, but the other sounds are the same, and they mean 2 different things in English. From this, we have a situation of contrastive distribution, and this pair of words is called a minimal pair. A minimal pair is a pair of words that differs only in one sound in a phoneme in the same position. The words of a minimal pair have a different meaning. Some examples of minimal pairs in English we can see as in the words light and right. They differ in the sound l and r in initial position. Then, as in the words glow and grow, they differ in the sound l and r too, but in the middle position. The last, as in the words math and mass, they differ in the final position. Okay, I have an example of minimal pair in Spanish language, as in the words furrow and furrow. Sorry if I produce it wrong because I'm not a natural speaker, but we can see they differ in the r sounds. These are all language specific because phonologist language is specific. Next, complementary distribution. This is gonna be my last talk. So, complementary distribution is a relation between the variants of phonemes. In other words, the situation in which we find one allophone in one position. Some of complementary distribution examples from English are, we can take a look in the phoneme t, as in the word tall. It is word initially followed by a vowel and preceded by nothing. Next, as in the word still, it is occurring in the middle, preceded by s. And then, as in the word sat, it is word finally followed by nothing. There is aspirated t in the first example, and the rest are unaspirated t. These different variations of t, they don't occur in the same environment. Then, I have some examples of complementary distribution in French language too. We can take a look in r sound. French has 3 r sound. For example, like in the word rien, it means nothing in English. It occurs in initial position. It is voiced uvular fricative. Next, price, it means prince in English. It occurs in the middle position. It is voiced uvular fricative. And the last, mourir, it means to die. It occurs in final position and it is voiced uvular approximant. Okay, I think that's all that I can explain for this time. If I made some mistakes, please forgive me. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.